This is a short video to show how to do your corrections for the probability questions. Test yourself, page 502. So on the right hand side of the page you can put your workings. This is question 3a. The information is given in the question. You've got boys and girls, left-handed and right-handed. In part A you have to estimate the number of left-handed students. So separate that out into finding the estimate of number of left-handed students for boys, and then do the same for the girls and add them together. So probability of a left-handed boy is 0.2 times 480 boys is 96. For girls, probability left-handed is 0.3 times 520 is 156. So the total is 252. In part B you have to find the probability that of a student picked at random is left-handed. So the trick here is to use part A, the total number of left-handed students over the total number of students. So from part A you've got 252 over the total number of students, which is 1000. Your answer is 0.252. Okay, so question 7a. This is a probability tree, and we've got to fill in the gaps. So I'm writing in black the probabilities that were given. For a win for a snooker game, the probability was P in both games, so you've got 2 games played. So probability of losing is 1 minus P. In part B, you have to write down expression for the probability that Rebecca wins both games. So if you follow the route that I'm going to mark in red, probability she wins the first game is P and the second game is P, so that's P times P is P squared. In part C, the probability she wins exactly 1 game, well, there are 2 possible routes, either the blue route, she wins and then she loses, or the purple route, she loses and then she wins. Rearrange the equation, you get 2 lots of P in brackets 1 minus P, so the final answer is 2P in brackets 1 minus P. Question 8 is a probability tree again. Filling in the gaps, this time not P's but actual numbers. And you've got 2 boys taking their driving test, Tom and Sam. Tom is first on the tree and then Sam. So part B, probability that they both pass is going to be given by my route marked in red. 0.8 times 0.6 is 0.48. And then, similar to the last question, you've got to find the probability exactly one of them pass. So that's either Tom passes the blue route and then Sam fails, or Tom fails and then Sam passes. Question 9. So you've got 9 letters here. Probability, you have to find the first one, probability of E. So there's 2 E's over a possible 9 letters. So that's 2/9. Part 2, probability of a vowel. Well, there is 3 vowels over possible 9 letters. So that's 1/3. Part 3, probability of a T. I think they're trying to catch you out here. There are no T's, so the probability is 0. That's not possible. Part 4, not a C. Well, there are 6 letters, not C's, so that's 6 over 9 is 2/3. Part B, how many times would you expect the letter S to be chosen out of 360? Well, that's 360 times probability of not a C, which must be 1/3, given that part 4 was 2/3. Question 10. Work out the probability of getting exactly 1, 4 and 2 spins. So I suggest drawing out a table here for all the different possibilities and their probabilities. So the probability of exactly 1 4 is either a 4 first and not a 4, or not a 4 and then a 4. So the probability of a 4 is 2/8 times not a 4 must be 6/8. And in a similar way, not a 4 is 6/8 times a 4 is 2/8. So the final answer is 3/8.